Welcome to Kevin's Corner, episode 7. As you can see, my corner has changed a bit, and now I have this lovely palm. Last week, we discussed the ethics behind behavioral economics and decided that behavioral economics is neither ethical or unethical. In fact, it all depends on the intent of the person using behavioral economics and whether they intend to manipulate people or to improve their lives in some way. In the spirit of creativity, we'll call it the Behaviour Change Framework. Clever, eh? We can use this framework anytime we're designing a product or service that requires customers to change the way they currently make a decision. As I mentioned in a previous episode, behavioral economics operates at the feature level, when customers are making a single discrete decision. So the framework will be most useful when we're ready to design features at the touchpoint level. This might mean designing to help customers adhere to their daily medication, follow through on saving money from each paycheck, or just choose a healthy option from the menu. There are two parts to the framework. Part A is the ideation phase, and Part B is the testing phase. In Part A, we leverage behavioral economics to ideate new features. We roll those features into a prototype and then move into Part B, where we test those features to evaluate which are most successful at creating behavior change. As you can see, we need to carry out a number of steps within Part A as well as Part B. We'll go into these in more detail in subsequent episodes. But how does the framework fit into our existing design process? Excellent question. The framework can be used in two core scenarios. First, it can be used in the discovery and definition phases of a project, when we're defining the new product or service proposition through prototyping. Second, it can be used in agile delivery sprints, as long as a couple of extra days are built into the sprint cadence to accommodate it. So we know there's a framework to help us design behavior change, and we know when to use it. But how the heck do we get started? Join me next week and we'll find out.